In today's video, I am going to teach you how to use the same Wix form on multiple pages. Start by going to the Wix website and logging into your account. Once you are signed in, open your dashboard and choose the website where you want to reuse the form. Click Edit Site to launch the Wix editor. When the editor opens, go to the page that already contains the form you want to use. Click directly on the form so it is selected. Make sure you are choosing the correct form before moving on. After that, copy the form using your keyboard shortcut. On Windows, press Ctrl and C. On Mac, press Command and C. Next, open the Pages menu inside the editor. From there, go to the page where you want the same form to appear. Once you are on that page, paste the copied form by pressing Ctrl and V on Windows or Command and V on Mac. The form will now appear on that page. If you want to use the same form on more than one additional page, repeat that same process. Return to the Pages menu. Open another page, and paste the form again. This allows you to place the same form design and structure across different areas of your site without creating a new one from scratch each time. After placing the form on each page, take a moment to review the form settings. Check that the fields match across every copied version. Also confirm that the submission settings are consistent, so each form behaves the same way when a visitor fills it out. This is important if you want a uniform experience across your website. Once everything is in place, click Preview to test your site. Move through each page where the form appears and make sure it is displayed correctly. It is also a good idea to switch between desktop and mobile views so you can confirm that the form looks good and functions properly on both layouts. If anything needs adjustment, go back into the editor and make the necessary changes. When you are satisfied with how the form looks and works on every page, click Publish. This will make your updates live on your website. Using this method is a simple way to keep the same form available in multiple places while maintaining a consistent design and setup throughout your site. Thanks for watching. That covers everything you need to know.